Hi everybody, this is Mary for Stampin' Camp with Mary and Mary's Stamping Happenings, and today is Simple Stamping Day. I want to show you a card I made that actually all you'd have to do is use the designer series paper and that's it. But I added a little piece of twine ribbon and a stamp, and it makes it a great simple stamping card. What you're going to need is, you're going to need a saying. So I am using, here's a card. For ink, I am using Memento black. Cardstock, I am using an 8.5 by 5.5 piece of Seaside spray, which is one of the ones that go with this card, or this designer series paper. And then for the designer series paper, I'm using a 4 by 5.25 piece of designer series paper, and it's the Feels Like Frost. This is the second time it's been here. It is the most beautiful designer series paper I know. It is just one side is all of these beautiful photos, just beautiful photos, all over the place, just breathtaking. And on the other side is the silver foil designs that you can color in and do other things with. So a lot of times it's, oh, which side am I going to use? So, oh, put that down. Anyhow, it Feels Like Frost. It's in the August-December mini catalog. I am also using my, of course, glue dots. And this is the Forever Greenery Trim Combo Pack. And this is the gold thread or gold weave, gold trim, whatever you want to call it. It looks like baker's twine, but it's not baker's twine. It's a piece of gold. Okay, so don't blink, folks. This is it. This is how you make it. You take your designer series paper, you attach it to your Seaside spray. It's cold in here, so my fingers are freezing. We just got home from the doctor, had to get our test, our flu shot, not our test, our flu shot. And my hands are cold. It was 40 degrees out. Well, it was 34 when we woke up this morning. So, and I'm just going to do that, then grab the saying. And all it says is, I made a card because you're worth it. I made you a card because you're worth it. And then I am just going to use the rabbit ears to tie a bow. Cut off some of the excess. Get another glue dot or two. You may want to roll this glue dot. And then just attach it, just like that. And there you have it, a simple stamping card using some beautiful, beautiful card designer series paper called Looks Like Frost. Remember, follow me on YouTube. I'd appreciate it if you shop with me. All the stuff to make this is down below. And also, anytime, if you'd like, just comment on my cards. I would appreciate it. Thanks for visiting and happy stamping. Bye-bye.